Hi everyone, I hope you're all having a awesome week. Today I'm back to share a tutorial with you guys. I was just sitting here making some of these flowers and I thought I'd jump on and do a quick tutorial and show you how to put these together. So I recently shared these cute flowers. I sent some to the lovely Amber for her birthday. And they're really cute and simple and easy to make, so I thought I'd do a tutorial. I'm going to call them 5 petal easy flowers, like 5 petal flowers. So yeah, so the first thing you're going to need is some yarn. I've just picked this up from my local Proper Job, I think I picked this up from. They had it really cheap. This is 100% cotton, but obviously you can use I think it's 100% cotton, yeah, any yarn that you have. This was really, like I said, really cheap. I know supermarkets have it and they have sales on and stuff. Yeah, so some different yarn. This is in a beautiful fuchsia colour. So that's what I wanted to make some in. You're then going to need a crochet hook. I'm using a 3.5. Obviously you can use whatever crochet hook you'd like. And then the last thing you're going to need is some scissors. So first thing you're going to do is do a slip knot. This is how I do mine. A load of people do it differently, but this is just how I put mine on. So that's the first thing you're going to do. Then you're going to chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the bottom chain there, right at the bottom, you're going to do 9 double crochets into that bottom chain. So you're going to put your yarn in there and do 9 double crochets all in that bottom chain. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, and 9. So 9 double crochets into that bottom chain. I like to pull mine tight. Some people like to leave a little bit of a hole. Everybody's different. It's up to you how you want to have yours. You could leave a hole there and put a brad in the center of your flower, or a gem, but like I said, I like to pull mine tight. Then in that chain 4 that you did in the top one, you're just going to do a slip stitch in that top of that chain, like that, and then that just joins that together. You're then going to, I'll just let out some more yarn. You're then going to chain 3, so 1, 2, 3, and you're going to start to make your petals. So you're going to go in the very first chain to start off with. So the first one's going to go in the very first chain. You're just going to do a slip stitch. Then I'm going to chain 3 again. So 1, 2, 3. Then going to skip a chain and you're going to go into the next one. So you're going to do a slip stitch in the next one, and you can do that all the way round. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip that chain there and go into the next one, and chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip that stitch, go into the next one, 1, 2, 3, skip that one, and then you're going into the last stitch. So you will have 5 chain 3s. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it'd be 5 chain 3s all the way round. And these are your petals. So in the first chain 3, you're going to do a single crochet in that chain 3. So you're going to do a single crochet, a half double crochet, and then 4 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a half double crochet, and then a single crochet. And that's, like I said, all in that chain 3 space, and that's what makes your first petal. And obviously you're going to repeat that 4 more times. So you're going to go in the next chain 3 space, chain 3 space there. You can do a single crochet, a half double crochet, 4 double crochets. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, half double crochet, and a single crochet. So that's 2 petals. And now, like I said, it's just repeating it all the way around in the chain 3 spaces. So a single, half double, 4 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, a half double crochet, and then a single crochet. And that's it. You're going to do that another, so you got 3 there, you can do that another 2 times, and then I'll meet you at the last one. Last stitches, half double crochet, a single crochet, and that's your 5 petals. And then just to kind of sign it off, I will do a slip stitch in that last petal, just pull it through, and then I'll get my scissors and then I'll just cut that off and then pull that through, and that's your flower. Really cute, really simple. And then all you need to do is just thread that through. I normally use a needle because it's easier to try and thread it through the back, but thread it through the back to join the other towel. Like I said, you can attach this to a project using these towels, but I just, to secure it, I will tie it in the back like that, and then maybe thread it through some of the back there, and then you can use that to attach it to a project, or you could just hot glue this and cut these off however you want to do it. So, but they're really cute, really simple. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's been a while since I've done a crocheted tutorial. If you do make these, yeah, tag me in your video. Let me check out the ones that you make. As always, guys, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.